Hello, this is Doug Bass from the GoTo Group. Today we're going to look at the integration of the Fortify application into the Eclipse IDE. The screen that you see here is the result of an analysis from Fortify. The objective of Fortify is to analyze your source code in a number of different ways to determine any security risks your application might have. There are 5 different ways in which your source code is analyzed. The Data Flow Analyzer detects potential problems that involve tainted data. The Control Flow Analyzer detects potentially dangerous sequences of operations. The Semantic Analyzer detects potentially dangerous uses of functions and APIs. The Structural Analyzer detects potentially dangerous flaws in the structure or definition of the program. And lastly, the Configuration Analyzer searches for mistakes, weaknesses, and policy violations. How did this report get created? Well, what we would do is we would go into our view of our source code and select a project, and then click on the Fortify icon, and this will generate the Fortify database. And when this is finished, then there are a number of views that are available within Eclipse to review the results of the analysis. Once the scanning has completed, the project summary is updated with the new statistics, but now we can look at the additional information generated by Fortify. If we go back to the Fortify audit perspective, we now see this pane on the left side, and this shows us a number of vulnerabilities, 29 hot, and then in decreasing severity warnings, and then informational, and then all of them all together. But notice this is a filter set. So I'm currently viewing the filter set that an auditor might use. Then I have a different filter set for developers, and another one that just shows the critical exposure of the program. So if I'm a developer, I would probably use the developer view, and what it allows me to do is to look at the individual files and what the assessment found within the program. So for example, we can see that there's particular vulnerabilities. This one has a number of different vulnerabilities, but we can look at by the different kind of analysis what the vulnerability is. And then Fortify also provides you with recommendations, the history as you modify the source file, and also a diagram of this class. So you can easily step down into the most important issue to fix, and maybe other issues also. So it makes it very easy to navigate through your source code once it's been analyzed. And notice these filter sets can also be customized. For example, you probably don't want to analyze an entire system. Maybe there's just one particular part of the system, like maybe the servlets in this case, that you might want to analyze. This makes it a lot faster to run this within Eclipse. Also, you can run this on the command line. So if you're using a continuous integration server, such as Bamboo, your Make or your Ant scripts can generate Fortify secure databases, and then the results can be viewed from a website. Thank you for your time today. This is Doug Bass with the GoTo Group. If you have any questions about Eclipse, the Atlassian products, or the Fortify products, please call us or email us at sales@gotogroup.com. Thank you for your time today.